Hey everyone, Rina here, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I just wanted to give you a heads up. We are re-releasing our headlamp assembly removal and replacement video. We had about a 60% vote to try longer videos with steps stacked up instead of sending you to different links for references. So what that means is if your video that you came for requires a part of your car to be jacked up on jack stands, instead of redirecting you elsewhere to the jack stands video that we already have on our channel, we actually integrated the video into the video that you came to watch. So all the steps are in one click. The video is longer, but you're not being redirected anywhere else. So people had said that that was something they wanted to try out and see. It wasn't typically what we've done on the channel because we usually try and keep our videos as short as possible and refer to what we've already posted. But you know, if 60% of everyone said they wanted to see this, that's a significant amount. So check out the headlamp video. Tell me what you think. It has jack stands, bumper cover removal, and headlamp assembly swap out. And we've broken it up into chapters based off of those 3 videos with all the steps included. We have all the tools for all 3 up front, so you have one list of tools and things to gather together. Let me know what you think. Again, this is kind of an experiment, but I can see the value in having everything in one place. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the headlamp video when we post it in a little bit, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.